and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today's video we're going to be doing a very exciting video. Basically I did quite a big order on Colourpop. They're an American brand, you have to get them shipped in. It takes about 2 weeks, I would say. It took me about 2 weeks for them to come. So I'm super excited to share with you guys what I've got in. Yeah, so this is in collaboration with Lizzie, because we want to do like a Colourpop collaboration together where we test out the same palette, kind of like if you've watched me before, the XX ones. So yeah, you guys know me and Lizzie have done a few of them. I'll link the ones that we've collaborated on down below. But yeah, let's jump into the Colourpop haul. I'm super excited because I haven't been able to put them away because I've been waiting to do the haul. So yeah, so let's start off with the first bit from my pile. This was the stone called Fox. I don't have this sort of palette. It's like a cool toned palette. So it has all the names of the shades on the back, and this is the front, and then inside it looks like this. Oh, one of them's been ruined a little bit, but that's how it looks there. The next one is So Jaded, the Kathleen Lights times Colourpop. I used to watch Kathleen Lights years ago. It's the palette, super nice packaging. This is what it looks like on the inside. Super pretty. I can't wait till I use this green and these two. I don't think I have like a green like this or anything like that, and to test the glitters. I like that. So yeah, super pretty. I'm super excited to give this a go. Which one's my favourite at the end? So this one, the next one is Through My Eyes, which is a Sarah He collaboration. Super stunning packaging. And this is what it looks like on the inside. And I got Truly, Madly, Deeply. How cute is this palette? And this is the front, but super stunning. And I'll do swatches on each of the tutorials every week. But that's like a petrol colour. They've got like, this looks like a white but greeny blue shimmer. Brown with green shimmers through it. This is like a very good everyday look. And then I picked up this Luna Beauty or Luna Has It palette, which is like the 9 pan Z palette. I will be doing a look on this in February just because Chinese New Year is then. Super stunning. I think Alex got this as well. But yeah, super cute. And then they got some Light My Firecracker lipstick trio. So there's 3 colours in here. So these are the 3 colours. So I've got the shade Red Pocket, Lucky Charm and Lion Dance. And then I also picked up the highlighter in this collection, which looks like this. Super pretty. Wow, that is so soft. Oh my goodness. That is like the softest highlighter I think I've ever touched. And then I also picked up the Dreamery Vault because I wanted some more Super Shock shadows. So they look like this. So there's Ice Dream, Frog, so Catitude, Frog, Ice Dream, Lightning Bug, Solitaire, Set to Sun, Moonwalk, Dream Lover, DGAF. So super pretty. I can like imagine using this quite a lot in the brow bones and inner corner highlight. And then I got 2 9 pan palettes, Strawberry Shake, which is super cute. That is the inside, it's upside down. That is the inside. Super cute. Oh, I can't wait to do tutorials on all these. And then I got Main Squeeze, so it's like a watermelon themed. Look how cute this packaging. This is the one I've been like loving the most. And then this is what it looks like on the inside. Next one is called Good as Gold, and I think this is just a glitter palette. No, I it's not. I'm wrong. So this is God is Gold. I love these type of palettes just because I love like gold shimmers on my eyelid. And it's got some good mattes as well to create quite a nice look. So that was Good as Gold. And then this I know is a pressed glitter palette. It is, I don't think this has a name. It was with the Flutterby collection. So you got 3, so this is the first one. So they're just all glitters. I'm not too fussed about using glitters. I know some people are, but I quite enjoy using glitters on the eye. And then this is Flutterby. It is a pressed powder palette. So this is the packaging and the inside. I've never actually seen a palette like this, like mauvey purples. So I'm excited to try this. And then there's another one of these from the Flutterby collection, which is a pressed glitter. Super cute. And then I also had to pick up this Disney one, the Midnight Masquerade. Obviously it is in collaboration with Disney, but look how cute this packaging is. It looks like this. And then obviously it's got the Disney princesses at the top. I also got Sandstone, which is such an everyday like palette. Like I genuinely think this will be like my go-to palette for every day. And then as soon as you open it up, it's just a really subtle shimmer palette and mattes. There's not too crazy colours, just for everyday wear. If you like these sort of colours for every day and you wear eyeshadow every day. And then the last one I didn't get on Colourpop. It is limited edition. I did buy it off Depop. It is the Hocus Pocus Gather Round Sisters palette. So this is what it looks like on the outside. Oh, and then on the inside it looks like this. I had to pick it up. I loved Hocus Pocus, especially around Halloween. So that is the end of my Colourpop haul. What me and Lizzie are planning to do is on our Instagrams, we're going to put everyone that we both have, and then you guys can pick which one you want us to do a collab on. I would really appreciate if you guys went and looked and see if we were doing that. It'll probably be up the day this goes live, so go and check that out and obviously go and vote. That would mean a lot to the both of us. I can't speak. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know which ones you want me to review first. But until then, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!